think it's important for us to learn Pohnpeian? Because the world is becoming more global and everything is in English. Should we continue to speak Pohnpeian?
I think it is important because I think of my language, Pohnpeian, as my cultural soul.
You read studies about how language is being lost. What is your thought about Pohnpeian in that sense?
Pohnpeian is an endangered language now. We need to make sure that College of Micronesia train teachers on how to teach bilingual education. We need support from every corner of the establishment. For instance, we need to establish a language commission for Pohnpei State. A language commission will look after the interests of the Pohnpeian language. And it's the language commission that will ensure that Pohnpeian language continue to survive. I worry a lot, but my doctor said, don't worry about it.
You already laid the foundation with the dictionary, so I think
so you've already done your part. I never thought Pohnpeian would still be speaking Pohnpeian today.
Really? Even today?
No. When I was going to school, I thought we would be anglicized totally. Somewhere back in the 80s or the 90s. But Pohnpeian is still going. For some reason, we don't know why we have this courage. Some of us have the courage to think that this is going to continue, and I want to take advantage of that. Never give up yet.